Hello everyone and welcome to a quick WordPress tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to change the language on WordPress. This is actually quite simple. To do this I first open a website that I have created in WordPress. Here I am already in the admin section. To change the language on WordPress I go to Settings and click on General. Here I scroll down until I reach Site Language. Now I select the new language, which in this case is German. And once I have selected the right language, I scroll down to the bottom of the site and confirm with Save Changes. And as we can see, the page is now in German. And that's all you need to know if you want to change the language on WordPress. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!